I'm Wonkster1970 and today I'm going to be installing this handle assembly with a backup camera on the tailgate of my 2001 Ford F-150. Let's get started. What I do is remove these 6 screws, and they are a T30 Torx. And this should come off to here. Got it off before. There we go. These bolts look pretty rusty. These are a 10mm bolt. I've already lubed them up with PB. Just lift up and off, and then that'll just pull out through. There we go. I gotta pull this clip out, take the lock assembly out, and then put that in the other one. I'm gonna pull the clip out of this old one. Just using a flat blade screwdriver. And then lock assembly will come out. Pull the clip out of the new one. Put the lock assembly back in. Put the clip back in. Now I think I got it. Yep, now it's in there. Said to put the one side in and then the other one. Okay, I've got that back in. Gotta put the camera in. Two tiny little screws that have to go in there. Should go in like that. Find me a small Phillips. Okay, that's in. Now, hopefully it doesn't fight me again. I'm going to put the latch assembly up through here. There we go. Looks like it lines up. Put the nuts on there. Okay, I got the wire, the connector fished down through here. I had to take all the connectors, the individual connectors out. To do that, you got to take this yellow piece out and then pry up on the individual retainers and then pull the wires out. Because I had to fish this wire up through, this mechanics wire, fed it up through the top, from up there, put it down through and out the bottom. So now I should be able to just disconnect it from the tailgate if I ever need to remove the tailgate. Okay, now that I'm done in here, I'm going to close this back up. I gotta take this tail light out because I think I had it wired 4 for the other reverse brake light. I'm going to check that. Okay, I have the connector here. I put the wires in a loom, and I'm using these cable tie mounts. Part number, I guess they're 25 by 25. Here's the part number, I do believe. X002RZASXB. And I'm using these 4 by 200 millimeter cable ties. So I've got it attached here, 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 and here, so that I can close the gate without any issues, and this connector will not fall down in and get pinched. And it seems to be pretty secure. Now, got the wires run through here. I'm going to run this wire up through the frame and up underneath the cab. Run them up through to see how I want to bring it down. I think I'll follow how these went. But I'll be back whenever I get those wires run down through there. Okay, I've got these wires soldered on. Got some heat shrink on them. The red wire and the green wire both go to the positive side of the reverse light, and the negative wire goes to the negative side of the reverse light. Fuse is in here. I'm going to roll everything up, put a cable tie on it, and tuck it down this hole, and then put the tail light back on. You can see I got the tail light reinstalled. I ran the wiring up through to the engine and through the firewall. I'll show where that went. Okay, the wire comes up through here from down along the frame and then goes back through a hole in the firewall. It's hard to see there, but then it goes up into the stereo. Here we are inside of the 2001 Ford F-150. A minute here to power the stereo up. I have this hooked up to my Kenwood head unit. If I put this into reverse, you can see that the camera comes on and the image looks really good. So that'll do it. That's it for installing the backup camera. That'll do it for installing the backup camera on the 2001 Ford F-150. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.